In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to speech with the help of Google AI Studio. We'll start by going to Google AI Studio in your browser. If you're searching for it, open the official Google AI Studio result to make sure you land on the correct page. Once you're in, look for the currently selected AI model near the top of the workspace and click on it. This opens the model options so you can switch to something designed for audio. From there, click on Audio, then choose an audio model. For example, you may see a text-to-speech preview model available. After selecting the model, click on the option that says Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech. This takes you into the speech generation interface where all of your main controls are located. Now you can begin setting up the output. First, type in your scene. This helps define what kind of situation or delivery you want the voice to match. Then type in the context. Context gives the model extra guidance, so it can produce speech that feels more appropriate and natural for your intended use. Next, open the speaker settings. Here, you can describe the voice persona, which means you can guide the tone or style of the speaker. You can also customize the director's note, which is useful for shaping the performance even further, such as making it sound calmer, more energetic, or more professional. After that, choose your preferred voice from the available options. Once the voice setup is ready, type in your script. This is the actual text that will be spoken aloud. If needed, you can also add another speech block, which is helpful if you want to separate lines, organize sections, or create multiple parts within the same project. When everything looks good, click Run to generate the speech. After the audio is created, you can click the download icon to save the generated file to your device. That's it, you've successfully converted text into speech using Google AI Studio.